When it comes to level control solutions, we'd like you to get one thing straight. Magnetrol's digital E3 Modulevel displacer transmitters deliver more accurate and reliable level control than torque tube transmitters. Avoid the twists and turns of torque tube technology, which simply can't match the output stability, structural integrity, and ease of use of a precision range spring. The E3 Modulevel displacer transmitter with range spring technology is a straightforward choice for accurate, reliable liquid level measurement and control. The E3 Modulevel gives you an output produced by 1 1/4 inches of sensor movement versus 5/8 of an inch of motion with a torque tube. This allows the E3 to produce a much more stable output without the need for artificial damping, stilling wells, or flow restriction. This results in less valve wear and longer control life, which lowers maintenance and downtime. And, while torque tube technology tends to be oversensitive, the E3's range spring dampens the effect of vibration, agitation, and turbulence. This makes it a preferred level control solution for stability in the toughest applications. The longer travel zone and dampening effect of the range spring combine to produce an output signal that's 4 times more stable than the torque tubes can provide. Unlike torque tube's knife edge bearing, which produces a point of wear and friction buildup as the torque arm pivots, the E3 Modulevel features vertical range spring movement. This keeps the E3 free of both the threat of wear and the opportunity for friction, which may cause measurement inaccuracy. While torque tubes are only 1/100th of an inch thick, the enclosing tube that forms the pressure boundary seal of the E3 Modulevel is more than 3 times as thick. In addition, torque tube torsion can cause fatigue failure of this pressure-retaining component, and the shear stresses induced in the tube can accelerate corrosion. The static pressure boundary components of the E3 Modulevel are not susceptible to either of these types of failures. The E3 features a 3-inch body and compact vertical design that weighs 30% less than torque tubes. Torque tubes also feature bulky tube arms that create a large footprint and are unwieldy to handle during maintenance. You can clearly see that the E3 is much easier to install and maintain. The E3 also makes maintenance a breeze by allowing you to remove the transmitter head without depressurizing the process or chamber. In contrast, removing a torque tube transmitter requires you to breach the pressure boundary, forcing a shutdown of your process, and incurrence of costly downtime. The E3 features a transmitter head that you can rotate through 360 degrees. This makes orientation of the display and conduit entry a snap, and provides a great advantage over torque tubes, which require you to specify a right-hand or left-hand mounting orientation at the time of order, and that cannot be modified after purchase. The E3 also allows you to mount the transmitter head up to 400 feet away from the instrument for ease of access to the display and removal of the transmitter from hazardous areas. In contrast, torque tube transmitters must be mounted within 30 feet of the sensor mounting and require a special remote mounting kit. The E3 Modulevel displacer transmitter is also preferred for a wide range of level control applications, including liquid from light hydrocarbons to heavy acids, slurries, and viscous solutions. The E3 works in most process and storage vessels, bridles, standpipe and bypass chambers, sumps, and pits. In all these applications, the E3 Modulevel is suitable for total liquid level measurement, liquid-liquid interface level measurement, and density control. You can trust the E3 Modulevel's range spring technology for accurate, reliable liquid level measurement and control. It's a straightforward choice from Magnetrol, the global level and flow experts.